We helped some people whose car had broken down.
A widow is a woman whose husband is dead.
What's the name of the man whose car you borrowed?
I met someone whose brother I went to school with.
I met a man who knows you.
I met a man whose sister knows you.
George is a person whom I admire very much.
I like the people with whom I work.
A person who I admire a lot.
Or,
A person I admire a lot.
the people who I work with.
Or,
The people I work with.
I recently went back to the town where I grew up.
I'd like to live in a place where there is plenty of sunshine. I can't meet you on Friday. That's the day I'm going away.
The last time I saw Anna, she looked great.
I haven't seen Jack and Helen since the year they got married.
The reason I'm phoning is to ask your advice.